Don't smoke now.
I think you don't want to act cute.
I can get drunk. Just like you know what? Get high. Say drunk.
That's how you get drunk.
Why you form? Why you form? When I try to do this, why you form?
No, it took me. No, this is strong. I have LD lungs.
Hey, you chill. Hey, that's
I have LD lungs. Where's juice? Where's juice? Pressure. Give me juice. Give me juice.
Put inside your cup.
Is it a clean cup?
It's a clean cup. I just washed it.
But I'll never let you go. I will never let you go. Even if you want to kill me, I'll never let you go.
Bro, I need to go back to my desktop. Like, I've been IRL for too long. I'm losing my mind. Like I'm in another dimension. I need to go back to now and react to you doing and talk people. I need to react to all those. Yeah, actually, that's the thing I like more, like insulting people. But